This is the launch of our intergenerational photography exhibition, and it really was adults, women's groups and young people from Newhill Youth and Community Centre going out into the local community and trying to portray what they see within the local area. So as you can see, you're seeing a lot of pictures that are beautiful, lovely things in our community, and generally a community that we're very proud of.
The long table lunch that is happening on behalf of Phobail and the GRMA. We would run this long table lunch every year, and it's just about bringing people together and getting them to socialise, while taste people's dishes, and everybody just to get ideas of each other of how to cook on a budget.